Hi, Falcons. It's me, Miss Land, and I'm here to teach you a little craft, a little thank you or appreciation gift that we're going to be making, whether it's for your mom for Mother's Day or whether it's for another family member that's been taking super great care of you over this distance learning time. Just to give you an idea, here's our final, what it may look like in the end. The cool thing about this is even though we're just using a few paper products, um, this is actually going to turn in with very little cutting or gluing. It's actually going to turn into a book. So it's actually got multiple pages in it. So it's cool, better than that a card because it's got extra pages to add to the fun. So in order to do this, though, you'll need to get the stuff from your packet that was included. It should have all been paper clipped together with a bright pink note. In that paper clipped together, you should have had that big piece of paper. It was already folded in half. Sorry, I folded mine in half a few extra times, but a big piece of paper. You should have two envelopes attached to that and four colorful index cards attached to that. Also in your packet, you should have had a glue stick. Yours is small and white, but any type of glue stick will work. We included that for you. And then if you have any type of scissors at home, if you can get that pair of scissors, we just need to make one small cut, but scissors will definitely come in handy. Crayons and colored pencils or anything that you want to use to draw or mark on it. You want to collect all of those things at this time. So if you need to leave the room to go get those, go ahead and pause the video, go get them, and then come back and unpause, and I will kind of lead you through the steps to making your special booklet. All right, for those of you that are ready to create, so your paper, your large paper, is already folded in half. What I want you to do is fold it in half again. I'm just taking it and folding it down. And I want to fold it very carefully and kind of match up the corners when I fold it and then push the other side. Okay, same thing. I'm going to fold it in half again. So I'm going to meet up those corners. Okay, and then on that other side. Okay, once you have that, it's about hand size. Once you fold it an extra additional 2 times, you are going to open it back up. Okay, open it back up and actually take it back to where it was at the very beginning when it was just folded in half once. You want to take, so here's my open side and here's my closed side, right? And I want to take the closed side and I'm going to cut the closed side from the bottom just to the middle where I see my fold lines here. So I just cut to where it was folded, where I see that it was folded just a small bit more. Okay, so you just cut that, and that was on the closed side, not the side that was open, but the side that was closed to me. I cut that. If ever I get ahead of you or I'm going too fast, feel free to pause the video, do whatever I just explained or get caught up, and then unpause it. If I ever go too fast for you or you get stuck or called away, don't forget there's a lovely pause button. Okay, so now you have your piece of paper. Let's open it up, okay? And you'll see the cut should be on the middle. Your cut should be in the middle. You're gonna fold it in half. This time you're folding it in half from the full size paper into a hot dog fold, okay? So it's a long paper. And what you're gonna do is you're gonna take the ends and you're gonna push them together. As I'm pushing them together, it kind of makes like a triangle, a little triangle. And I'm gonna push them all the way together. And once I get it all together, so where it's like this, I'm gonna take it and I'm going to fold it in half again, okay? So I took it, I went like this, and then once it got like that, I folded it in half again. So now you'll notice that you have a book, right? If I open it up, there's one page. I can open it again. Now I'm in the center of my book, 2 pages. and a third page and closed. Okay, so now that we've got our book, we can design it specially for that special person. Okay, so one thing, a nice thing to put, if you can put Happy Mother's Day or because you are special, right? Just write a nice little note on the front. You can make it as crazy and designed as you want, or you can keep it nice and simple, however you would like. Okay. On the next page is where we are going to start incorporating our coupons. Since it's hard to go out at right now and buy stuff for our moms or for that special person in our life that's being so great, what I thought we could do is we can make coupons. So I've incorporated 4 colorful index cards in your packet, in your supplies. And on each index card, I want you to write one special thing that you're going to do for that special person. So for example, my son wrote 1 hour no fighting with my sister. Ooh, that is a good one. That's a great one. Washing the dishes, make my bed, 3 hours of no fighting with my sister. I don't know if this one's realistic, but I love it. So he just came up with 3 things that he knew would be extra special to me, things that he knew that he could do that would just make my day. And he wrote them on there, on those cards. Now, we don't want these cards just to fall out. So we're going to attach these cards into here using our envelopes. Okay, so what you need to do with the envelope is we actually want to seal the envelope shut first. Okay, so you can take some water, get your finger wet with some water and seal the envelope closed. Okay, once your envelope is sealed closed, you're going to cut your envelope in half actually, because these are going to become our pockets. And we're going to have 4 envelopes, so you need 4 pockets. So that's 2 envelopes that you'll need to use and cut in half. And then this is where our glue stick comes in handy. Here's my cover of my card. Open it up. I can write a special picture or something here. I want to attach my my coupon. So I'm going to use my glue and I'm going to put the glue on the back of the envelope. Okay. So I put glue all over the back of the envelope and then I'm going to attach the envelope towards the bottom of that page. Okay. Stick it on there nice and good. Give it a few rubs in place. And then that way I can slide my coupon right there into that pocket and it'll hold it in place so it doesn't fall out when I give the person their card. Again, like I said, you can put a nice message on here. You can even, my son put, you need a break. You're something special. So he even wrote notes on the bottom on the pockets of each coupon. I love you, you're the boss. And then we're going to save the last page for a full message, where that's where it becomes more of a real card, right? So actually we will need to do a pocket here also. Open it up, do a pocket here and a pocket here. Those are with your other envelope pieces. So you can slide those coupons in, and those are attached with the glue stick that you have. Doing nice little notes on here. You need a break, or thanks for all your help. I love you so much. Here's a special treat, right? Just writing a note on the bottom of each envelope that is your pocket. And on the back page, on the very last opening, after you have your 2 coupons, 2 more coupons, 4 coupons total. On this last page, put a nice little note just telling them how much they mean to you and how much you appreciate them, or specifically telling them what things you notice that they do for you that maybe they don't realize you notice. So hopefully it'll turn out to be a beautiful card. You can get as crazy or decorative as you want, both with the coupons and with your booklet. But I hope that you can even include, if you have stickers at home or anything, you can even include stickers or just color the back. My daughter actually added the stickers. My son just did the colors. But I hope this is something that you can make and that you'll be able to give to that super special person. If you have any questions, please reach out to your teachers. Oh, I have also included a page in your packet, in your week 6 packet, that has hearts and stars, things that you can also cut out and glue onto the front or the back or onto the little pockets if you're not a great drawer, and you don't want to draw things out. If you want to just color those in or cut them out and paste them on, that is also included in the enrichment section of your week 6 packet. All right, thank you. Good luck. Have a great weekend.